Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the camera bounce to the music in Premiere Pro. First, let's right-click on the project panel, click on New Item, and let's create a new adjustment layer. Click on OK, and let's drag this adjustment layer above our clip on the timeline, and right-click on the adjustment layer, and let's click on Speed or Duration. Click on the duration value and type in 5, to make it 5 keyframes. Click on OK, and let's go to Effects and search for Transform. Let's drag this effect to the adjustment layer. While still selecting the adjustment layer, let's go to Effect Controls, scroll down, and under Transform, let's click the stopwatch icon for scale. Let's move a few frames ahead, and let's create a new keyframe by clicking on this little circle right here, and let's drag this one at the end of our video. Now let's change the scale to 140, and we are going to drag this one at the center of the adjustment layer. And let's change the shutter angle to 360. After that, you can then just duplicate the adjustment layer and move it on where you want to have the bounce effect to. You can hold Alt on your keyboard and drag it to duplicate it easily and match the beat of your video. And it should look like this. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.